If your crypto portfolio feels random, stressful, and all over the place, the problem probably isn't the market. It's that nobody actually showed you how to build with structure. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners cut through all the hype and learn how to build real crypto wealth using simple macro strategies and a conviction based portfolio. After going through my own hard learned lessons in this market, I committed to doing things differently with discipline, clarity, and long term purpose. And now I'm building wealth in crypto the right way. And I'm helping others do the same as well. If you're here to build something real and not just gamble, you're in the right place. And in this video, I want to help you understand why your portfolio may feel random right now and how to fix it. A lot of people get into crypto excited. They hear about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe a few other altcoins, and then they start buying. But after a while, their portfolio, it starts feeling messy really fast. They own a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Maybe a little something that a influencer was mentioning or something that they seen pumping. Maybe something they bought because they felt they didn't want to end up missing out on it. And then pretty soon, eventually, they just start feeling confused. They don't feel confident anymore. I know the feeling because I've been there too. I've made the same mistakes. I bought without clarity. I followed hype too early, and I've held things without any structure. And one of the biggest lessons that I learned is this. If your portfolio has no structure, your emotions will end up controlling it and making your decisions. So let me show you the real reasons why your portfolio may feel random. First, you bought coins without first building a strategy. This is one of the biggest mistakes that beginners make. Most people ask, what should I buy? Before they ask, what kind of portfolio am I building? And when you skip structure and just go straight to buying coins, your portfolio, it just ends up being a whole bunch of random coins. That's it. And second, you bought from hype and not conviction. If most of what you bought comes from social media, TikTok, YouTube, TikTok hype, or people shouting price targets on Facebook, then chances are you don't really know why you own that asset. And when you do not know why you own something, the dips become scary and confusing. And third, your coins do not have clear roles. This is huge. A portfolio isn't just a bag of random coins, not a strong portfolio. It should have structure. You should know what is your foundation, what is your growth exposure, and what is pure speculation. If every coin in your portfolio feels the same, no wonder it feels messy. So if your portfolio feels random right now, that's actually good news because it means that the problem is fixable. You don't necessarily need more information. You need a framework. That's actually why I created my free crypto checklist for beginners. It's designed to help you stop buying blindly and start thinking about your portfolio with more clarity and intention. I'll link it below. And here's the big mindset shift I want to leave you with. Your next breakthrough in crypto probably won't come from finding the next coin. It will come from building a portfolio that you understand because confidence in crypto, it doesn't come from owning more. It comes from knowing why you own what you have. And now that you understand why your portfolio feels random, in the next video, I'm going to break down the 5 biggest crypto portfolio mistakes beginners make that keep them stuck, stressed, and guessing every time. Watch that one next.